Welcome, CNG 132. Today is Saturday. It is 12:05 in the PM. The email and D2L email have been relatively quiet, so I assume you guys are getting into a good start. The discussions, topics look very good. There was nothing that really stood out to me. Don't ever feel like that you didn't match somebody else's content. Each train of thoughts are completely different from your neighbors. What you think about Project 1-1 could be totally different from what William, Ash, let's see, who else did Project 1? Yanir, all those trains of thoughts can be Benjamin. All those trains of thoughts are going to be completely different. So there's no really like matching. There's no, hold on. There's no real competition there. You're just kind of discussing your own voice on the topic itself. Going to the Dropbox, there are currently 7 projects turned in. 2 I've already looked at. They look excellent so far. Once again, the projects are just following the directions, filling in the blanks where I leave you blank for an answer, and simply submitting the screenshots. Also, make sure those are orientated the right way. I know, hold on. Make sure to do all your assignments by 11:59 tomorrow night. And that's really it. If you have any questions, make sure to email me. I will definitely check in tomorrow to see if there are any more questions that arise. Let's see. There's one thing I did want to talk about. The lab discussion forum. If you are doing your lab simulations and projects early and run into a problem, feel free to post your solution early. Help out your fellow neighbors. Maybe someone works all week and doesn't get a chance to do this class until the weekend. That is quite a bit of work. Just help them out a little bit, kind of pay it forward, train of thought. That's really it. I might be coming down with a cold. Next week videos might be kind of stuffy. Make sure to check the weekly kickoff video that I'll post and these weekly check-in videos that I'm adding every week. See you tomorrow.